ANI has reported that the Indian Air Force has shelved its 35,000 crore rupees plan to upgrade 85 Su-30 fighter jets under the Super Sukhoi program that was planned to be executed in collaboration with Russia and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, under which the Su-30 would have received a more powerful AL-41F1S engine, Su-30 radar, and the latest Kidney-U electronic warfare system. We had already reported last year that the dialogue between Russian officials and Indian counterparts over the Russian defense industry proposed Su-30 modernization package was stalled. Hindustan Aeronautics is already carrying out indigenous upgrade of Su-30 aircraft in a phase-wise manner that will include indigenous avionics, larger touch-based smart multifunction display, new digital flight control computer, radar warning receiver, advanced self-protection jammer pod, electronic warfare suite, BEL-developed long-range dual-band infrared search and track system, an upscaled variant of UTAM radar, and a number of other small upgrades, but it will be operating with the existing AL-31FP engines. In the ongoing negotiations for the deal to buy 12 more Su-30 fighter jets from Russia, the government has asked the stakeholders to include more made-in-India parts and content in the aircraft. The negotiations with the Russian side in this regard are already going on, and the need for adding more Indian content comes at a time when the Modi government is working towards promoting more indigenous production and reducing imports. A large Indian Defence Ministry and business delegation will head to Brazil by the end of this month to explore the possibilities of joint production and joint development of various defence weapons and platforms. Brazilian Air Force has recently started taking deliveries of the Gripen-E fighter jets from Swedish firm Saab and is keen on having talks with India's DRDO on acquiring the Brahmos-NG supersonic cruise missile. Representatives of 12 Indian defense companies will also travel to Brazil, as the Brazilian military is looking to procure rocket launchers, armored vehicles, body armor and helmets, infrared sights and night vision devices, surface-to-surface missiles, light combat helicopters, as well as modernization of frigates and offshore patrol vessels. The Indian delegation will also be visiting 2 different facilities of Embraer, which had offered the C-390 Millennium to India. US firm Genesys AeroSystems has announced that it has been selected by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to provide the S-Tech 4000 Autopilot system for its Hindustan 228 aircraft that will be integrated with the Genesys cockpit, and this latest digital autopilot system will expand its mission profile and increase operational safety. As part of the 12th India-Singapore Army-to-Army staff talks to enhance defense cooperation between the two countries, a 4-member Singapore Armed Forces delegation visited the Military College of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering, where the delegation was briefed on the various innovative training methodologies and was shown modern labs dealing with niche technologies. The delegation also visited the Simulator Development Division of the Indian Army, where various simulators and projects were displayed. As part of the anti-piracy patrol being undertaken by the Indian Navy, INS Kolkata stealth-guided missile destroyer has visited Djibouti to ensure safe transit of merchant vessels in the Gulf of Aden. The commander of the National Navy of Djibouti and the commander-in-chief of Djibouti Coast Guard visited INS Kolkata, that reflects the strong friendship between the two navies.
Omar dropped it.